Hello, so I wanna show you a very fast trick to delete this whole slot, okay, this one, all this one in a shot, okay. This is an important part, okay, and so how I can delete these holes, these how can I explain this slot, this straight slot. Okay, so I put this one in direct in normal direction. Okay, I push the button F5. Okay, and I choose this one, filter faces. Okay, I click here. After I click here, okay, in hidden line visible, okay, so I choose this one, okay, I hold Control button, I choose this one, hold again Control button, choose this one, okay, leave the Control key button, okay, I go in direct editing, delete face, delete and patch, and that's it. Fantastic. Very, very fantastic. All the street slot gone. Take care. Thank you very much. I hope that you have enjoyed. Cheers. See you again.